Hello, writers. Welcome to Writer's Toolshed, where we're going to be looking at words, sentences, and paragraphs. You're a writer, which means you make things. Just like somebody who's growing a garden needs a tool shed, or just like a carpenter needs a tool shed to go in there and find the things they need to make the craft that they're trying to make, you also have a tool shed. And we're going to take a look at some of the things that are inside. First, the tools in your tool shed are words. You are a writer, and ever since you were born, you've been collecting all of these incredible, unique tools that you are going to be able to use to craft your pieces of writing. Words come in so many different shapes and sizes, and every one has a very specific use. So, in the words section of the tool shed, we're going to be learning some new words every week and familiarizing ourselves with how each one specifically can be doing the job that it was made to do. As you get to know your tools better, you'll become a better and better writer. The next section of the tool shed is the sentences. Sentences you can think of as templates. You can see these plastic materials here. This is what somebody is using to create a clock out of pieces of plastic. And they have the template there, which is this orange shape with these cuts on it. And then they have the template that is the black shape that they're using the pencil to trace along the line of the template, and then they can use their X-Acto knife to cut the orange one in the shape that it's supposed to be. And so in the sentences area of the tool shed, we'll be learning how to use these kind of templates as guides, so that you can put your words in a certain order, in a certain structure, and you'll be able to grow your writing by following the beautiful sentences that authors have used before you. The last section of the tool shed is paragraphs. And eventually, as you master your words, as you master your sentences, you'll start to be able to create large scale blueprints, which are like paragraphs. A paragraph is something that you see the overall structure of your piece. You're trying to piece sentences and see how they fit together to make a larger whole, just like an architect plans out a house or an engineer plans out a car. You are going to become this blueprint designer as you put your sentences together and order them into paragraphs. So that's what the Writer's Tool Shed is going to be about. I hope to see you here every week to be able to work together on our words, sentences, and paragraphs.